Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the Ps3 model and current system version so you know which update file to use. Once done, back up your saved data to a USB drive or cloud to avoid loss. Make sure the USB is formatted FAT32, then create a folder structure exactly as /ps3/update and place the update file renamed ps3updat. Pup. This exact naming and path lets the console detect the file, so follow it precisely before moving to the install steps. With the USB inserted, navigate to Settings System Update via Storage Media to start the install. You do this because the XMB method is straightforward and checks integrity first. If the console won't update normally, boot into Safe Mode and choose System Update. Safe Mode bypasses some runtime services that can block updating. During the process, let the Ps3 complete file verification and installation. Do not power it off or remove the drive, because interrupts can corrupt system software and require once the update finishes, the Ps3 will reboot. You should immediately verify the new firmware version in system settings so you know the update succeeded. Then restore saved data or reinstall packages as needed. If you encounter an installation error or the console fails to see the file, make sure the USB uses FAT32, recreate /ps3/update path, and re-download ps3updat. Pup. This fixes most detection and checksum issues. If problems persist, try a different USB drive before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.